Hey people, welcome. This is Madhav here, and today we are going to look at a new wireless earbuds launched by Redmi AirDots S, which is recently launched on Amazon.in and Xiaomi.com at an affordable price of 1799. So as you know, the technology is growing and world is moving towards wireless connectivity. So nowadays, these wireless earbuds or so-called AirDots by Redmi or any other brand, they are in very huge demand. So in this video today, let's go ahead and do the unboxing and check out what are the box contents and how's the quality of these earbuds that are launched by Redmi. So opening the box, I have received it yesterday, so I have already unboxed it. So I'm just doing this for the sake of the video again. So opening the box, the first thing that you notice is this charging case, which is pretty sleek and in very good quality. The material that has been used is premium. It doesn't feel plasticky or cheap, and the box itself has the earbuds in it, and the earbuds as well are pretty sleek and very small in size, which are very comfortable to wear, and they fit snugly into the ear. And looking at the case itself, the case carries around 500 mAh battery, uh, because of which Xiaomi claims that when these earbuds are plugged into the case, it gives a 12 hours of playback time. And the earbuds itself combined have 100 mAh battery capacity, 50 mAh each on the earbuds. That's a good thing. And as I said, they are pretty lightweight, and combined with the charging case, these earbuds weigh around 4.1 grams. And this comes with the latest Bluetooth technology, which is 5.0. And also, Xiaomi claims that they have given a special driver of 7.2 to get a punchier bass, good vocals, mids and highs. So let's go ahead and check out the charging technology, how's the sound signature, and how does they feel in your ear. So in order to charge the box, unfortunately there is no cable provided in the box itself. So I would suggest you to use a USB cable that you have already with you. So just let me go ahead and charge this device and see if do we have any charging indicators on this, or if there are any LED indicators which show the charging time on the earbuds. So I have an USB cable, and towards the back of the charging case you find the USB port, I mean the charging port. Just plug in the USB cable into that, and once you do that, you will observe a red LED indicator towards the front of the charging case, which indicates that the case is charging. And at the same time, once you open the lid, you would also observe that the ear dots are also charging. You will find two LED indicators which are red in color, which represents that both the earbuds are in charging mode. And as I said, it's pretty easy to sync them with your phone. Let it be an Android phone or an iOS phone, it is compatible with both. And also these earbuds have a built-in assistant, so it depends on which ecosystem you are using. If you are using an Android ecosystem, once you tap the buttons on the earbuds, the Google Assistant wakes up on your phone. And if it's an Apple, once you double tap the buttons on the earbuds, the Siri on the iPhone wakes up. So as I said, the syncing of the earbuds is pretty easy with your phone. As soon as you take it out of the charging case, you would observe there is a white LED light blinking on the earbuds itself, which indicates that the earbuds are powered on. So now let me go ahead and sync this with my iPhone and see how they work, how the syncing works, and how's the sound quality. Before that, I would just like to give you a heads up that as soon as you unbox the device and take out these earbuds from the charging case, you would find a red strip which is over the charging pins. You need to remove that. If not, the case would not charge and the earbuds would not charge as well. Also, I did not like one thing about the earbuds is that they have only given a single LED indicator light which shows the charging level. Instead of that, if they would have given a 2 to 3 dots, which would be easier for everyone to make out how much charging is left in the case or in the earbuds. That's one thing missing here. Rest apart, everything looks fine till now. As I said, it's really sleek, stylish, and easy to carry around your pockets because of its weight, which is 4.1 grams only, and it's an ultra lightweight earbuds. So now let me go ahead and sync it with my iPhone and show you how the syncing works. By the way, this is an iPhone XR that I'm using. So let me go into the settings. So these are the settings here. Let me go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth. So as soon as I turn on the Bluetooth, if you see, it detected the rear Redmi earbuds S there. So I just tap it to connect them, and they are connected. It's very quick and easy, very simple way to connect your earbuds. And so now let's go ahead and check the fit of the earbuds in your ear, the sound quality, and the amount of noise cancellation that this gives. Basically, I have changed the ear tips to smaller ones because they came pre-fitted with a medium ones which were not comfortable for me to wear in my ears, so I have changed them to smaller ones. So it depends on your ear size and the comfortability level that you have. Depending on that, you choose the earbuds that you want. By the way, in the box you also get two set of earbuds. One is a large and one is the small. Apart from that, there is a user manual. I would suggest you to go through the user manual to ensure that you know all the functionalities, how the earbuds work. So now let's go ahead and check out which one is the right and which one is the left. So yeah, if you look at here on the earbuds itself, it's mentioned like this is the right one at the top of the pins. You see, this is the right earbud and this is the left earbud. So these are the ones. So let me go ahead and put them into my ears and check the comfort level. They fit in pretty easy, and it's like I'm not feeling anything like I have put in a dedicated earphones or something like that in my ear. And even if I move my head up, they don't come out or they don't fall pretty easily. So this is very good. And one good thing about these earbuds is that they come with an IPX4 rating, which is a sweat proof, and that's a good thing about it. So let me try to play a song and check how the sound quality feels. So for me to check, I love a bit of bassier songs. I like bass a lot. So as you know, Apple, I use iTunes in that, and let me go ahead and play a song which has good amount of bass. Like the one that I like the most and listen to most is the Believer song. So let me go ahead and try playing that and check how's the sound quality and how's the punchier bass in that. Well, the sound, the bass is definitely punchier, and the mids and locals really feel good, and there is a good amount of noise cancellation going on. Right now the AC is turned on, and when I have plugged these earbuds into my ear, I can hear my own voice. There is no surrounding voice which is coming in between, so the noise cancellation is very good. So this would help in scenarios where if you're traveling by metro or if you're traveling by a bus and if you're in a large crowd and you have to take a call, this noise cancellation comes in, and this would help in taking the call pretty easily without getting disturbed by the surrounding sound. That's definitely there. So a bit of noise cancellation is definitely there on it. And also there's one more thing, one more speciality about this earbuds is it comes with an ultra low latency mode for gaming. And nowadays we see a lot of people tend to play PUBG, and people try to get earbuds which doesn't have wires, because while playing the game, and if you have a wire here, you have to connect it and it comes in between, and it gives a very bad experience while playing the game. So this ultra low latency mode helps in getting seamless music onto the earbuds without any delay in transmitting the sound from the device to the earbuds. And I have tested it by playing a game yesterday once I received it, by activating the ultra low latency mode, and it works flawless. There is no delay in the sound in the game. And in order to activate the ultra low latency mode in the earbuds, you just need to tap this button thrice on the earbud, and it indicates that the ultra low latency mode is turned on and you can enjoy your PUBG game. And in order to deactivate the ultra low latency mode, again you just need to tap the button thrice. It would turn off the ultra low latency mode. And in order to pick a call, you just need to tap the button once and you can quickly pick a call, and as soon as you're done with the call, you can just tap the button again and it would end the call. And then you can just reject the call, press and hold the button for 1 second, which would help you in rejecting the call if you don't want to take it at that point of time. And then you can turn on the voice assistant, as I said earlier in this video. If you are on an Android device, just double tap the button on any sides of your earbuds and it would activate the Google Assistant, and you can give commands for the Google Assistant to play a song or place a phone call. And if it's an iOS, it will give you an option to turn on the Siri Assistant by double tapping any of the buttons on either of the sides. The only downsize that I have observed is that there is no way that you can change the tracks or change the volume from the earbuds. You have to have access to your phone screen in order to change the tracks or increase the volume or decrease the volume on the earbuds. That's all with it. And as I said, overall it's a very decent package for this price range, which is for $17.99, and the quality is really good. It doesn't feel cheap or plasticky. The material used is really good, and it's completely in a matte finish, and it's very ultra lightweight. As mentioned again, few pointers to take out what Xiaomi claimed is the 7.2mm drivers definitely help in getting punchier bass. It is really ultra lightweight, which is 4.1 grams, and the earbuds are pretty comfortable. They don't fall off easily, and they come with IPX4 certification, which is sweat proof and splash proof. When I say splash proof, it's just like when you're going on a jogging or workout, if the sweat comes in, it can sustain that. But never insert these earbuds into water. It could cause damage to the earphones. Okay, that's one more important point. That's pretty much from my end, and thanks for watching this videos. Please, I would request you to subscribe, like and share this video if you like it. And if you have any further questions, you can definitely drop a comment in the comment section. I'll get back to you. It was nice talking to you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.